Isang malaking awesome. And thank you so much sa mga nandito agad, guys. And alam ko hindi to live and this is just a recorded live but hindi mo gugustuhin ma-miss out to kasi ang dami kong nakitang mga indicators na nagpo-prove that we are going to do something big. Okay, what is that something big? And yan yung mga hindi mo gustong i-miss out. So wag mong isi-skip tong video natin na ito. Tapusin mo siya from start to end so that I can further explain why are we going somewhere which is a really big move. Okay? So right now, kung makikita natin, nandito tayo sa ating 66 800 66,849 as of the moment while we are recording this. Okay, so kung makikita niyo ito yung RSI natin, somehow pwede may anticipate that we might go down so that we can have a very good refresh on the RSI. Kung yun lang yung magiging basihan, I would say yes, it's a over bought asset. Okay, but what we can see in MACD, wala pa naman tayo nakikitang medyo bearish on a weekly time frame since everyone is like looking at the weekly to monthly right now kasi nga bull run. So yun yung iniisip nila. But here's what I saw on our monthly chart. Okay? So parang nakikita ko is maaga pa tayo kung totoong bull run to. And ang nag-prove nito is yung ating MACD. Okay? So here's the tip. I know this is a unprecedented na na payo. Okay? I would not say payo to, pero ito yung narinig ko lang na payo sa mga OG o yung mga matatagal na sa market. Pag tamang-tama yung pasok nila sa market at gusto nila malaman kung dapat bang mag-TP na or what. Okay? Whether if you want to buy more or whether you want to sell more. Okay? So ito lang yung masasabi ko. Ito yung sinabi sa akin at yung nababasa ko palagi. So ito din yung strategy nila Emperor BTC nila Kaleo. So ang lagi ko nakikita sa kanila is sinasabi nila na if bullish ka, hahanap ka ng maraming reasons kung bakit bearish yung market. Tapos ipag-versus mo yon doon sa sentiment mo, bakit bullish. Kung talagang bullish ka. So sabihin natin bullish ka at gusto mo mag-80k yung market natin, you need to find a reason why it's not gonna happen in a technical basis. So sabihin natin may technical analysis ka at hahanapan mo yun. Pag wala kang mahanap, then you can proceed on technical analysis for your sentiment. So bullish ka nga, so pwede mo nang hanapin kasi magiging bias ka sobra and it will just parang magdadagdag ka lang ng gas dun sa apoy mo kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo. So, hindi siya magandang practice for trading but I'm not also saying na napakadaling i-practice nun. Okay, so kung bearish ka, then hanapan mo ng rason bakit tayo bullish. Okay, then i-contest mo yun doon sa initial mong nararamdaman which is yung sentiment mo, oh okay, bearish ako. Then vice versa. Okay, so now, okay, if we will take a look at the monthly, yun nga yung sinasabi ko na yung MACD natin is still, for me, healthy and nagsisimula pa lang. Yun yung masasabi ko kasi yun yung mga tinitingnan ko dito sa mga previous levels pero hindi pa yun yung dapat kong sasabihin sa inyo today. Okay, although tinuro na sa inyo yung MVRVZ, ngayon pa lang to pinag-uusapan ng mga influencers na siguro fina-follow nyo ngayon sila Cohen, yan. So ngayon, let's talk about this Fibonacci na nakita namin. Okay, so si Demelo, if nasa members kayo or nasa billionaire kayo, kilala nyo si Demelo na nag-chart para sa atin, especially for higher time frames. So meron siya nakita doon na parang we're just repeating a cycle of the 2019. So how I see it is I think we are a little bit early and we are copying the 2017 and clear yung structure natin, especially if we're just looking at the moving averages and also with the Fibonacci move. So kung makikita natin, kung ang tuturing nating top is yung 0.382 dito sa screen kung titignan nyo, and we're trying to break that one. So, ganun din yung nangyari dito and we try to break it. Meron tayong small week sa taas and meron din tayong ngayon small week sa taas. So, what are the chances that we can, okay, kasi meron pa tayong 6 days sa monthly, what are the chances that we can do a flash crash just to commit on this one? I would say, I don't think that we will be doing that already kasi ang gusto lang natin is yung 0.5. Every time that we have a 0.5, kung totoong mangyayari yung ating top na 100K, we just need a 0.5 to bounce this market to that level. Okay? So this one, I don't know what happened here. Siguro automatic reaction yung mga tao na pag may mga alam mo yun, bad news or major news from the government, which is happening right now. Ganun na ganun din yung nangyayari ngayon. Nung tinignan ko, ganun na ganun din yung nangyayari. But I have no clear answer kung bakit talaga nangyari to. But it should actually just bounce off on the 0.5. Hindi rin tayo dumikit doon sa 0.618. So that actually gave us a really good candle, which is yung God candle natin after this bearish month. Okay, so the question is, are we going to a bullish month? Kaya kinapi ko lang siya. But things can go sideways, or things may change, because how I see it is because of our halving. But that's gonna be another talk, and it's not gonna be the talk for today. Okay, papakita ko sa inyo itong susunod na nakita ko. Okay, so itatabi ko lang ng konti kasi nakaharang yung mukha ko, guys. Okay, so itong natin is yung ating Lux Algo Bollinger Bands. Ito naman yung ating RSI. Then we are on a 2-minute time frame. Okay, so ang ginawa ko lang, sabi ko parang similar talaga yung mga nangyayari dun sa RSI. Okay, so nilagyan ko siya ng ating linya dito. Okay, so dito, sabi ko parang medyo mataas. Okay, so parang wait lang. Dito, yan. So nakita ko is parang nagko-cross lahat dito sa line na to. Yan. Tapos wait lang. Pag kinapi natin yan, dito din. So, dun sabi ko parang dito pa lang kung titingnan natin. So, fractal base, pag titingnan ko, ay parang it just tells me something. So, pwede natin ilagay na ganyan. So, nilagyan ko siya ngayon. Then, kinapi ko to. Sapat dito sa pangatlong beses is ganun din ang gagawin niya, which nag-pump nga yung RSI natin, hindi yung price. Mamaya natin makikita kung nagre-resonate din siya doon sa price. So, if the RSI pumped, let's see if the price pumped. It actually did. That's why I have these green lines. Okay? So, now, let's see if the Bollinger Bands also does the same thing. Okay? So, kung ilalagay natin yan, okay? Okay? Wait lang. Yan. Nandito. So, ganun din yung nangyari actually. So, nag-pump din yung ating Bollinger Bands, nag-pump din yung ating line for the Bollinger Bands, at ganun din yung nangyari doon sa Bollinger Bands. You can try this on your own. So, you can have your own backtest for this Bollinger Band. So, the idea was from tech dev, pero hindi ito yung pinaka kanyang ginagamit. It just gave me an interest on using Bollinger Bands, but on a different indicator, which is from Lux Algo. Then sabi ko parang mas magiging accurate kung gagamitin natin yung ginagamit ni Lux Algo, which is yung Bollinger Bands BO. Okay? Then ngayon, ang ginawa ko, sabi ko kung totoong nagpa-pump yung price from there, gaano ka tagal yung until mangyari ulit yung isang bagay. So kung sabihin natin, ma-miss out mo to kasi nag-sell ka, tapos gusto mo na lang ulit bumalik pag nakahupa na lahat, tapos kung magpa-pump na ulit, it will actually give you another 1,200 days before you can get back in, which is 3 to 4 years. Sabihin natin 3, 6, 9. So, nearly 4 years. Okay? Actually, 4 years na. So, 3, 6, 9, 12. So, 4 years na nga. So, abutin ka ng 4 years before you will be able to come back to these levels. Sabihin natin you wanna enter the market. Whatever the price of the market is, sabihin natin 80K yung naging dip niya. So, you'll enter the 80K, whatever happens. You'll buy the, a very strategic asset sana. Okay, but based on my experience, yung mga gustong bumalik lang sa market, naglaylo, bumalik lang kasi nagpa-pump na yung market, what happens is these people will never be able to find the gems. That's why we always want to stay in the market, because we want to know what's the narrative and what's the best assets that will fit our risk appetite. So if you cannot practice your risk appetite, and you will never know what's your risk appetite, so ano yung basihan mo kung ano yung magiging mga gems na pwede mong willing to lose but will have a high high gain. So, ganun yung nangyari dito. So, hindi ko lang naitapat. So, nag-pump tayo ng 3,777 dito. 12,000 dito, 600 lang. So, the question here is, gaano kataas dito? So, and ang pinakaunang tanong muna is, magpa-pump na ba tayo? So, kung sabihin natin, okay, from here, okay, sabihin lang natin, okay, hindi ko sinasabing accurate to. If susundin lang din natin yung Fibonacci's and everything, okay, I might see the market around 300K if, okay, but those levels are very hard to break. I don't know because wala akong crystal ball hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga potential na pwede mag-push ng market up, but many of us as well didn't realize or didn't see what will the market push up, kung ano yung magpo-push ng market to the upside, which yung investors natin or yung institutions and their investors natin. So now, that's just it for this one. Hindi ko gusto i-elaborate muna kasi kulang pa ako sa research for this one. Pero that's how I see it, time-based, tapos RSI. Every time we try to break this one, we'll go a little bit higher or less than this. Okay, kasi ito medyo mataas, nasa 98 level ng RSI. Ito 91 na lang. So probably we may be able to see around 85, 82 or 80. Pwedeng ganun. Nasasaglit lang. But we might also see a infamous move ng RSI na pag umangat siya, tapos bumaba na siya, yung price pa rin natin umaangat. So, we have those kinds of move in RSI as well. So, makikita natin yan dito. So, although kahit bumaba, yung market natin bumababa, we have the price still doing a double top here. Okay, so the question is, are we going to do the same thing here? Here, we didn't do that. Here, we did it. So, yun yung pinaka-question ko lang dito. So, but if we will be so lenient about this one, probably nasa 150,000 lang siguro yung aabutin natin for this one. Okay, but I don't have the crystal ball. So, yun lang yung nakikita ko for now. Okay, that's how I see the market right now. And ayoko masyado mag-anticipate kasi nga bullish na ako. I've been bullish since 53K. Then I've been looking for a bearish move. Ayokong tumingin sa government, ayoko tumingin sa iba't ibang sector or anything ng analysis. I just stick with the technical analysis right now. It's because numbers always talks to us and it will be the first one to tell us if most of the time if may mangyayari or if we are on overheat or overbought or oversold right now. But we're still in a early phase. Kung nandito ka sa month na to at nanonood ka, nandito ka sa area na to at nagpump to, you will make a fortune on this one or a life money money changing decision here. Okay, so life-changing decision here. Okay? So, now let's go with this one. So, ito yung Bitcoin dominance natin. So, bababaan ko yung time frame natin. Alam ko medyo mataas yung time frame kasi I'm trying to prove my thesis na bearish talaga tayo kasi bullish talaga ako. So, gusto ko humanap ng rason bakit tayo magiging bearish pero wala akong mahanap except for the RSI, CCI, pati ATR. Yun lang yung mga nakikita ko na pwede tayong baliktarin ng market in a very short time frame. Okay? Pero hindi ko nakikita yung areas natin para sa June and July play out natin. Pero most probably, after the halving, bilang lang tayo ng 2 buwan or a month, if galing tayo sa bullish, which we did February, ang taas ng inap natin. So, after ng halving, makakita tayo ng post-halving effect, which most what happens is, meron tayong bullish dapat pero dahil galing na tayo sa bullish, what will be the reason? Yun yung fascinating question lang dito. What will be the reason why the market will go further up? But on this one, dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance, okay, many of you guys knows the cheat sheet kung bakit natin tinitignan ang ating Bitcoin dominance. We want the Bitcoin dominance to go down. Okay, so that we can push the Bitcoin price wherever we want. Okay, pero if you're a bullish person, you want the Bitcoin price to go up, but the Bitcoin dominance to go down. So you can call for a altcoin season. We'll check this one as well, but let's go with this one. Okay, so right now, nandito na tayo sa medyo triangle. Okay, so ito yung medyo indecisive. So meron pa tayong ilang days to see this. If what is going to be our potential move. Saktong-sakto lang din sa 6 days natin. So, let's see if April will be bloody or are we going to see a good candle for the whole month of April. But masyado pang maaga, I would say. Let's wait for 1 week after April, then we will be able to see if what will be the move. But I did a 10% sell of some of my assets so that I can heavily leverage on dun sa mga assets na hindi gumagalaw. So kung hype yung RWA natin, hindi hype yung Bitcoin, sabihin natin yung Bitcoin narrative, we can buy, how I do it is I buy those assets na hindi talaga gumalaw from 59K to 67. But here we go. If we're gonna check what's going on here, this is the part where market can go up. The Bitcoin dominance can go up, which is a little bit painful for the alts. Kasi if Bitcoin dominance goes up, then Bitcoin prices go down. It will give us a very, very bloody market, which is a good buying opportunity as well. Okay, so dun din ako nagle-leverage kung DCA in na ba talaga. So those are my key metrics as well. But right now, if we're just looking at this one, this is where we might be able to see a indecisive move. Okay, but how we want to see this is we want this one to go down. Okay, we want this one to go down. But what are the chances that we might actually had hit? Okay, we did hit the the 618. Now we're gonna drop this one. Then we might be able to stop at 0.114. Then dun ako baka mag-flip ng decision ko sa anong gagawin ng market. But yeah, how I see it is I'm more focused on the Ethereum BTC. Kasi dito, hindi ko siya makitaan ng move except for the 618 level natin for the Fibonacci. This is a very infamous move na dapat nagda-double yung isang bagay o yung isang asset for us to be able to get into that market for the second time around. So sabihin natin you missed the train here, you will have this level, the 618, to give you a chance to ride back in here, which is the lowest. Okay, so this is your best buying opportunity just in case this is an asset but this is a Bitcoin dominance. Yun lang yung nakikita kong yun lang yung nakikita kong way para i-take advantage natin yung move na yon. Okay, yun lang yung nagsasabi, but if this goes up, then this is going to be invalidated and we just have to accept it. Then we might be able to see a best buying opportunity again and we will be cashing in more money. And also yung dun sa project natin na gagawin ko for the new membership. Okay? So that it will be more optimized para sa mga bumibili ng membership natin at matuto kayo kung paano mag-gem hunt at mabigyan ko kayo ng iba't ibang documents na matututo talaga kayo na hindi basta-basta nakukuha kung saan at bumibili ako ng iba't ibang monthly subscriptions just to aggregate this data into one document at mababasa mo siya ng madali. But nevertheless, it's gonna be around April but not yet sooner, yeah, but it's gonna be soon. Okay, so right now, the reason why I'll be more focused on our Ethereum BTC is because this one, may maganda tayong support eh. So, malaki yung chance ako talaga na bababa talaga to. Kasi, ang ganda ng support dito. Okay, how I see it is, ang ganda ng support at na-retest na natin siya ng twice. Pero, ang kinakatakot ko lang is meron tayong lower low na nag-spike doon. So, hindi ko alam kung dapat bang nangyari yan. Pero kung ito lang ang titingnan natin, ito at itong mga weeks na to, so meron tayong higher low. Okay? Meron tayong mas mataas na low versus do sa previous low natin which is itong 0.0 04904. Okay. So, dito is nasa 5, 0.05. Okay? Nasa 5 cents. But the question is, okay, are we doing the W already? Then we'll be able to see this. Pag to nag-hold tong level na to at naglaro siya sa ibabaw ng moving average na napaka-importante, which is ato, then we might be able to see a golden cross on that one. Okay, which is a lagging indicator but highly reactive indicator na kung makita ng mga tao as an opportunity, they will grab it and they will be so bullish about it. So ganun din yung nangyari dito. Nag-push lalo yung market nung we were trying to when we were trying to get up. Everyone is really anticipating already. Then yun, pinatos na nila yan. Umangat talaga siya. So eto na. So ngayon, the question is, where are we going? Okay, is it going to be going down or are we going further up? Here's my sentiment, guys, okay? With all of this, kahit ito na lang tignan ko, the altcoin season has more gas than we thought. Okay, meron pa siyang gas. Okay, kaya hindi ako nagbenta. So, yung mga binenta ko is 10% lang so that I can leverage on dun sa mga assets na hindi masyadong gumalaw after this bounce from 59K. Okay, we did a bounce, we did a DCA on the 62K. Okay, I really hope that I was able to buy more on 59K, but yung next level kasi ng DCA ko is 56, 52. Okay, so I just stick on those levels para hindi ako nagiging emotional, okay, or hindi ako emotional trader sa mga ganitong panahon ng market. Okay, I just stick with the data and the data says that we're going up. RSI is saying that one. The Bollinger Bands is saying that one, and also the MACD is also saying the same thing. Okay, there's many room to pump the market, but the question is there enough volume? Okay, right now it's still doing a higher high. The next bar for this ito, ang next bar nito for the April, pag to lower than this previous bar, pag to nag-close na dyan, sabihin natin April na ngayon at magko-close na siya at parang ang layo niya para mag-close sa above neto, then we might be able to see a 3 more candles na pababa, which is hanggang July. Okay, April, May, June, July. Then June, July, August, September, which is a very infamous infamous months for us to bag more assets. Kasi dito nalaglag yung ORD nung last year. Walang naniwala sa akin na we can buy these assets. Kaspa, injective protocol, at marami pang ibang assets. So, thank you so much sa mga nanood. Yun lang yung mga sasabihin ko and magpapakawala ako ng maraming documents. Magbabawi ako. Pero may piniprepare kasi ako sa inyong explanation for my new membership so that you will have a clear understanding why am I doing this and why we are continuing on doing what we always do here in Also the Chismoso. But thank you so much sa mga nanonood at naniniwala pa rin dito sa mga pinagsasabi kong chismis, pero chismis lang ang lahat ng yon. Kailangan nyo pa rin aralin, planuhin at kilusan. Nang sa gayon, ang lahat ng ito ay ating makamtan. At syempre, stay awesome. Goodbye.